Hello everyone. If you find this on 17th June, then this is your sign. The person currently on your mind, this person is dreaming about you. Okay. I dreamed about a beautiful marriage with you. So basically, this person is dreaming about a beautiful marriage, a beautiful relationship with you. Everything feels so empty without you. I am looking for you everywhere. Okay, so basically, this person is missing you terribly. Okay, whenever you are watching this, I'm getting like you both are in a no contact situation for a very long time. Okay, getting like some kind of misunderstanding because I'm getting like you and this person, you both are silent. Okay, don't try to contact or resolve these issues. I'm getting here. Okay, so at this point, your person wants to confess like everything feels so empty without you. They are looking for you. Actually, your person want you come forward, you take action, and you ask forgiveness or you contact them. But on the other side, you want your partner contact you. So I'm getting ego classes here. Okay, so it's this is the main blockages. I'm getting ego or some kind of misunderstanding, okay, or third party issues in this relationship. Okay, if you want to book your personal reading and remedies with me, you can contact me through my email ID. For more details, you can check the description box, and you can join for full moon manifestation program 1 day's workshop 21st June. This is a very powerful workshop to release all the obstacles from your manifestation and receive your manifestation smoothly. So if you are interested, you can contact me through my email ID manifestyourdream091@gmail.com. Seats are limited. Let's see. Okay. I want to make an effort to save this relationship. Okay, so instead of this ego classes, this person want to take a stand. Okay, they want to make an effort to save this relationship. Okay, I'm getting definitely third party manipulation here. Okay, deep down your person want to come forward, want to take action, but someone like they are manipulate their mind and stop them to come forward towards you. Okay, your presence in my life is a dream come true. Words can't truly express how much I truly love you. Yes, they can't express in words how much they mean to you, how much they love you. Okay, and your presence in their life, that is a dream come true. I have messed things with you. I'm sorry, I can't live without you by my side. Yes, so you can expect some kind of forgiveness message from this person. Okay, whatever third party manipulation, but this person will definitely take some kind of action towards you. I can see here. Okay, because they can't live without you. They can't pretend anymore because they really need you. You are so special to me. You are the greatest source of my happiness, dear. It's not over, my love. I'm coming. Yes, yes. This person wants to let you know, like, it's not over. This relationship is not over. Don't move on from this person because definitely this person will come back to you. So, yes. Let's see what else they want to confess at this point. Okay. Hi, miss you. So, 12 a.m. Could be significant time. They can text you like, hi, I miss you. So you can receive some kind of text message. Okay, I'm getting 12 a.m. This could be a significant time when this person, contact you or text you or call you. I realize I done very stupid behavior with you. I'm guilty of what I done. I feel your pain. So sorry. So maybe this person realize like this person was very stupid and they done very rude and stupid behavior with you, and they feel very guilty about that. Okay, and at this point this person feel your pain. I'm getting definitely third party manipulation here because yes, in deep down your person really love you, really care for you, but because of third party manipulation they done something wrong with you. I'm getting here. Okay, um for some of you I'm getting like because of family problem, like family don't agree this relationship, or for some of you like family already choose anyone else for marriage, this kind of blockages. So this person don't want to lose their family members. Okay, and yes, definitely I'm getting third party involvement in this connection. Okay, but in deep down this person really love you, really care for you. Ace of cups on set, welcome love. So definitely a restart, a new spark, a new beginning you can expect because this person is on set to start again with you. Okay, ace of cups. Yes. Five of Pentacles, disturbing and unproductive relationship. Yes, something that disturb you both. Okay, miscommunication, misunderstanding. Okay, third party issues. I'm definitely getting here. Okay, some kind of outer side influence. Okay, others influence, third parties influence, manipulations. Okay, and trust issues also I'm getting in this relationship. Okay, again same disputes, disagreement, classes, ego classes, what I'm saying. Yes, this cards definitely I'm getting ego issues in this relationship. Okay, you both argue with each other, and I'm getting very misunderstanding, and very immature behavior I'm getting here. Okay, mainly ego classes. Okay, disagreement, misunderstanding, and yes, Seven of Pentacles. But whatever it is, you both are waiting for a beautiful union. Actually, you both are waiting to take action. Like you are waiting for this person will take action towards you, and this person is waiting you take action towards them. Okay, what I'm saying, like this is because of ego issues. No one want to take action because yes, ego is the main reason here, and the third party manipulation is also the issues here. So you need to heal that. Yes, the Chariot. Yes, if you heal that, then you can see a successful relationship. Okay, determined and successful relationship. And bottom of the deck, Eight of Cups. Yes, crossroads and emptiness. Yes, this person feel very empty without you. Okay, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Cancer energy, and Pisces also is very strong. Okay, claim this beautiful reading.